Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to show you how to send out your postcards, and you can do it within 5 minutes. Send it out in 5 minutes, be done, and already have your postcards being sent out. Here it'll give you a let's get starting with the basics. If you want to close that, you can definitely do that. So I went ahead and created my own postcard, and I want to send that out to a list. So I just imported my contact list from my Excel format and import it right into the address book. All you have to do is click on the address book, create a new group, add a name to it, create the group, and then actually I did that wrong. So we'll do address book. That's where you can have people click on this link and go directly into the group that you create. Absolutely amazing, makes it simple and easy. Right here I'm going to select import contacts. I have that Excel format. Here I could watch the tutorial, but I could click on my list, select my file. Let's move this down, select my file and open it. It'll import right in there and hit upload. I just did that part, so I don't want to redo it. And you can always come in here. I don't know which one I just created, but if there's a campaign that you don't want in here and has 0 contacts, you can click on it and delete the group. So not a problem. Here I might have added it to all contacts, not a biggie. But I do have this list. So right here I named it 𝗵𝗍 March 2021 group. There's 102 people in here. So I imported that list, took seconds. Now I'm going to go back to the main page. I'm going to go ahead and select the cards. I'm going to select my postcard. Right here's the postcard I'm going to select. And as with time, when my lists are clean and I want to continue to send to a list, I think I will go up bigger on the different postcards. So right now I'm kind of testing out this list, see how it works. I'm going to start from scratch. I know I already have a saved project, so I'm going to click on saved projects. I'm going to go down and select the Lazy Man Marketing, and I'm going to add it to the cart. When I add it to the cart, it says up here, project added to the cart. So I will go ahead and click on the cart. And I thought, since I'm going through this, why not make a video? So I'll remove the one I just added. Right here, I'm going to do make money sending postcards, which is a Lazy Man Marketing, which we're doing right here, right now. So I'm going to go ahead and select my list, select the recipients. And it's taking just a moment to pull up those contacts. Super simple and easy. So as long as you have those cards already made, you're ready to rock and roll. It may take a little longer if you want to change these out. So I'll do these a few times and then I will change it out. So could be my screen taking a moment here. Down below you can see the time frames of when items will be going through the mail system. So if there's something urgent that you want to get out there, you want to kind of follow those Monday through Friday maps showing a typical delivery of those time frames. So here on the far left hand side, I will scroll down and look for that list that I just imported those contacts into. Right here I have 𝗵𝗍 March 2021 group. Select the group. And I believe that it added it up here. So now it added it into my box to check out. Select checkout. And then I can go ahead and place my order. On the far left hand side, you can see the contacts that you have in here. There's a few I have a couple questions about, so I'm going to remove those from my list. But you can always do that from your Excel format before you import them. But say now I'm not going to use that exact list. I'm going to go back and check my Excel format. So I'm going to go back down to this 𝗵𝗍 group and I'm going to delete them. and it'll ask me up here, are you sure you want to delete? Hit OK. I will go ahead and delete that, but you can see how quick and fast that is. I want to kind of monitor where you're buying your contacts from, but you can always create a mailing list right here in the system. This allows you to do individuals and businesses. It allows you to, let me turn off my alarm here. It allows you to select the geographic and the demographics, and you can do this just like you would in Facebook and select contacts that maybe be in a certain area, maybe they're in a certain kind of demographic that you want, maybe it's in a price that maybe you have a higher price product, you want to select that geographic that would be able to handle that price zone. Right here you can go ahead and buy that list. So say we just want to play with it. This is mainly for homeowners or movers, anything like that. You can do businesses, but you can jump on geographic. So maybe I want to do my little area. We can click on it. Right here I have 20,000 records here. And now I want to do some demographics. So maybe I want something, are they a homeowner or renter? How long? Maybe if you want somebody who's been in their home for a while, you kind of know that address is a little bit better. You can do single family, or you can do all. You can change their income, so maybe you want them to start at 30,000 to go to 250,000. And if you want homeowner or renters, maybe I just want homeowners because I just want people who stay in one place for a while. You can go down here, you can go down to opportunity seekers, maybe there's certain ones you want, cat owners, dog owners, general investments, real estate, anything like that. So you can see on the far right hand side, it'll be creating those selections, and then it updates. That'll give me 6,414. All I'd have to do is buy as many as I want. That would be $493, but I would segment that list a little bit more. So depending on what I'm looking for, maybe real estate investments, something like that. So you can grow and expand your list right in here. Maybe I only want 100 of them. You can get 100 of them for $9.95. Go ahead and export that list. It'll go right into your mailing list. You're ready to rock and roll with a new list. If you need any help, let me know. Get started doing postcards. My name is Leah Fike. I'll see you on my next video. Appreciate your time. Wish you a great day, and bye for now.